Ay, con permiso. Agarrando evidencias, ¿verdad? Sure, you guys want to be in the camera for the evidence? Evidence?
There we go, that's it.
These are killers right here, bro. Killers. Report them.
Can I get up?